Hi everyone, welcome to our channel GUVI. Let's start this video with a very simple question. Have you ever moved into a new house or a new space? That is a lot, right? You have to pack stuff properly, label things, move them, unpack, fix furniture, set up Wi-Fi and make sure nothing gets lost. Phew, that's a process. Now imagine a software team doing the same but with code. What am I talking about? Of course, DevOps. Yes, this is all DevOps is all about. And just like how you have packers, movers, and electricians, DevOps has tools that can handle every part of the process. Let's see the top DevOps tools in this video explained just like you're shifting homes. The first tool, of course, is Docker. Imagine packing your stuff into labeled sealed boxes. One box has kitchen stuff, another has clothes, another has gadgets, and each one has everything that it needs. So when you reach the new house, you just open the box and set things up. Nothing is missing. That's what Docker does. It packages your app with everything it needs to run and works the same wherever you unpack it. The second one is Kubernetes. Now, let's say you have got 100 boxes. Who decides which box goes into which room? Which one gets opened first, or if anything needs to be replaced? Well, that's what this tool is all about. It's a supervisor on moving day, managing all of your containers or boxes, making sure everything is in place, and fixing issues without running around. The third tool is Jenkins. Think of it like your checklist app that auto-triggers tasks. You tick "so far arrived" and it instantly reminds someone to unwrap it, clean it, and move it into the hall. That's Jenkins in DevOps. When a developer writes a new code, Jenkins automatically builds it, tests it, and pushes it to the next stage. No manual follow-ups needed. That's amazing, right? The fourth tool is Terraform. Let's say you have designed the perfect living room setup. Sofa here, light goes there, rug in the center. Terraform is like saving that room layout as a blueprint and then using it to set up every single room or even a new house exactly the same way you imagined. In DevOps, Terraform does it with infrastructure, servers, database, network, all created with a single reusable plan. Finally, Prometheus and Grafana. After you move in, how do you know if the geyser is working or the fridge is cooling properly? Prometheus checks all that constantly. Grafana shows it all on a neat dashboard like your home control panel. So if anything breaks, you see it before it becomes a big problem. So yeah, building and deploying software is a lot like moving into a new house. It's all about coordination of what goes where, who does what, and how things stay in order. Same things with DevOps tools. They help your project move smoothly from code to final delivery without any chaos. I hope this video was helpful. I will see you in the next video. Make sure to like and share the video and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.